clean them both up. This came up really well, so just gonna hose it down now with a regular hose. Same thing with this. I'm gonna hit that with a coat of paint. Hit it with some of this paint. She does an incredible job covering. It's an epoxy paint primer combined, and it really amazing. Now for these washers, they go here, one on each side. This is according to the instructions. Doesn't look like it right now, but we'll find out in a few minutes. So we'll start assembling this, and hopefully it won't give me as much grief as I keep reading about. So. So these are all painted now. Like that. Alright, so this to prove to be a little harder to install than I expected. You gotta kind of wiggle it around until it sits properly. Fight the urge to try to drive the bolt in, because if not you can strip it. So alright, so this goes here and it just gets secured here. So let's go ahead and find a screw that I can use there. Go. So the reservoir is mounted, and so is the fuel pipe. It's right here, and I gotta buy that little rubber grommet or whatever. It goes down. I picked these up from FCP Euro. Use the part number we need them, and I was told 4. Yeah, that's a hollow. So these are the bolt holes right here. So let's see that boy up. Subframes in, torque down 35 foot-pounds per bolt.